If you're a homeowner in League City, you already know how important it is to keep your home comfortable during Texas's unpredictable weather. From humid summers to chilly winter fronts, your home works overtime to maintain the perfect indoor temperature. One of the most effective ways to boost comfort, lower energy bills, and improve home value is investing in energy-efficient door installation. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or replacing aging patio doors, choosing an efficient option can make a remarkable difference. This guide breaks down everything you need to know so you can make a confident, informed decision. Why energy-efficient doors matter in League City. Living in a Gulf Coast climate means dealing with high humidity, intense heat, and occasional storms. Older doors often warp, crack, or lose their seal, allowing hot air in and cool air out. Energy-efficient doors are specially engineered to combat these challenges. Here's why they're worth the investment. Lower energy costs. Properly insulated doors prevent conditioned air from escaping, allowing your HVAC system to work less. That translates into lower monthly bills, especially during peak summer heat. Better comfort year-round. Drafts around old doors can make your home feel unevenly cooled or heated. Modern doors use advanced weather stripping and insulation that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Improved home security. High-quality energy-efficient doors typically feature stronger materials, reinforced frames, and upgraded locking systems. You'll enjoy peace of mind along with energy savings. Enhanced curb appeal. From modern designs to classic styles, these doors come in a wide range of looks. Installing an energy-efficient door instantly boosts both curb appeal and resale value. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a new energy-efficient door, consider the factors below to ensure the best long-term performance. Material matters. Different door materials offer their own benefits. Fiberglass doors ideal for the League City climate. Fiberglass doors resist warping, swelling, and cracking. They also provide excellent insulation and can mimic the look of natural wood. Steel doors. Steel doors are highly durable and secure, offering good energy efficiency with insulated cores. They're a popular choice for homeowners wanting a mix of strength and value. Wood doors. While beautifully crafted, wood doors require more maintenance in humid climates. If you prefer wood, look for engineered doors with enhanced insulation. Look for energy efficiency labels to ensure you're getting a quality product. Check for Energy Star certification. Indicates that the door meets strict energy-saving guidelines. Low E glass. For doors with windows, low emissivity coatings reflect heat, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Insulation features foam-filled cores, thermal breaks, and high-performance weather stripping significantly reduce air transfer. These small, but important, features make a noticeable difference in performance. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the most efficient door won't perform well if it's improperly installed. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can lead to energy loss and premature wear. That's why hiring an experienced door installation team in League City is essential. Professionals provide precise measurements. Ensures your new door fits perfectly. Correct frame adjustments prevents air leaks and improves long-term durability. Expert sealing and insulation maximizes energy efficiency from day one. They can also recommend the best brands and materials based on your home's architecture and local climate. Maintenance tips to extend door lifespan. Once your energy-efficient door is installed, simple maintenance helps protect your investment. Inspect weather stripping periodically for wear. Clean glass panes and frames to prevent buildup. Lubricate hinges and hardware annually. Repaint or reseal doors if needed to maintain protection. Final thoughts. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door is one of the smartest home improvements you can make in League City. From lower energy bills to enhanced comfort and boosted home value, the benefits are long-lasting. With the right door and professional installation, you'll enjoy improved performance and peace of mind for years to come.